In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and remove transactions in QuickBooks Online. Mastering this skill is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date, so let's jump right in. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't done this before, you can always navigate to the QuickBooks website and find the sign in option on the home page. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll be prompted to choose which QuickBooks service you're using. In our case, select QuickBooks Online. Next, simply type in your credentials. That will be your username and password. After entering them, click on continue to get into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you're aiming to find and click on the Sales tab. This tab is essential because it's the hub where all of your transaction details are centralized. Now within the Sales tab, you'll see various options related to your sales activities. For our purposes today, go ahead and click on Invoices. The Invoices section displays a comprehensive list of all your past and presently outstanding invoices, an invaluable resource for managing your business transactions. Within the invoice you wish to edit or delete, you need to locate the small drop-down arrow, which offers several options for managing transactions. This drop-down is your key to accessing more advanced choices. When you click this arrow, look for the More Actions option. Selecting this will expand your choices even further, revealing additional functionalities. Here you have the power to make meaningful changes to your records. If your goal is to remove a particular transaction, look for the button labelled Delete. Keep in mind that when you delete a transaction, it's gone for good, so it's worth carefully double checking that this is what you intend to do. After clicking delete, QuickBooks will generally ask for confirmation, offering you one last chance to reconsider. To proceed, click on delete once more in the confirmation dialog, and just like that, the transaction will be removed from your records. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your transactions within QuickBooks Online. Whether you're editing details or clearing out unnecessary records, these tools give you the control you need to keep your financial information pristine. Don't forget, accuracy in these matters not only helps day-to-day operations, but also sets a strong foundation for future reporting and analysis. So, make sure to take your time with each action, ensuring that every change you make aligns with your business goals. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy bookkeeping!